I'm MGDev and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we'll continue to creating 2D platform game. Double click on platform 2D tutorial or click edit. Double click on level 1 TSCN. Delete a sprite node. And delete a sprite.gd. And let's rename node2d to level 1. Click on plus and let's add the tile map that we will use to create the platforms on which player character will move. Click on time map and create. Click on new tileset. Click on tileset. Click on images folder and copy and paste grass tiles to images folder. Click a plus to add textures. Select all grass tiles pictures and click open. Click new single tile. Let's set the grid 8 by 8 pixels. Click on snap options and step 8, X and Y. Click on collision to set collision for this tile. And click on next tile. Click new single tile. And I will set collisions. Click on new rectangle or new polygon. In this case, this is a new polygon. and click on tile map, and you can choose a tile, and now we can paint game world. Now let's save tileset to the tileset folder. Click on tileset, and I will name grass tileset. And save. Let's set collisions for timelapse. Here we have two options, layer and mask. In short, layer is the layer that must be set for grass tile set, and mask means with which object the grass tile set will collide. Go to project settings and choose in general 2D physics, and I will set names for layers. Layer 1 player, walls, for layer 2, for layer 3 enemies, layer 4 coins objects, and layer 5 player bullets, layer 6 for enemy bullets, we now set the layer and mask for grass tile set. Grass tile set will be on the walls layer and will collide with the player enemies, player bullets and enemy bullets. Using this button, we can run the current scene. Using this button, we can start project from the default scene for the entire project. Click play scene to play the current scene. Now the collision shape is visible. click visible collision shapes to disable this option. And again, play the current scene, and as you can see, collision shape is invisible. Click plus to add a new scene. Click other node and choose a kinematic body 2D. And I will rename to player character. This yellow sign next to player character means we have no collision shape. So click on player character, click plus to add child node. And we want to add collision shape 2D. And this is node configuration warning. And we must choose a shape. Choose a capsule shape 2D. Let's add an animated sprite. Sprite node that contains multiple textures as frames to play for animation. Click on New Sprite Frames, click on Sprite Frames. And let's add the pictures to the image folder. They will show animations for player character. Change name of this animation to idle. Click this button to add new animation. And change name to run. Next animation, fall and jump. Click this button to add a texture from file inside image and player character. Add every picture idle from 1 to 10 and open. Set speed to 15 FPS. And change animation to idle. Click on playing, and animation is working. And I will add textures for every animation. And as you can see, that animation has to run only one time. So turn off the loop option. Turn off the loop option. As you can see, animated sprite is too big, so we need to scale it down. To 0.35. Click on play character, and we also need to set collisions for the play character. He has to collide with walls, coins, and enemy bullets. Walls, coins, and enemy bullets. This is enough for mask. I will save also this scene as player character.tscn in RES folder. Click this button to attach a new script or new or existing script. A programming language is a GD script, inherits from kinematic body, template empty, and we must set path. Choose scripts, play character.gd. Earlier I prepared a script for the play character, so I will copy the code for player character and paste UI right and UI left are the arguments of the isActionPressed function. These are the right and left arrow buttons on the keyboard. Buttons can be configured in project settings and input map. As you can see, this is a UI left and UI right. I will now set a collision shape for the player character. So click on the collision shape 2D. If you want, you can disable this option, grid snapping, and we can set better collision shape. We need to move the animated sprite. Click on move mode and we can move animated sprite. I will change this value to 0. Let's see if other animations match the collision shape. I will save scene, go to level 1, click on level 1, click on instance child scene, click on this button. Choose player character and click open. Click on play character and I will turn on this option too. Make sure the object's children are not selectable. This is very useful option for me. Go to level 1 and save all scenes. I will run the current scene. And as you can see, our game looks good. And I think this is enough for this episode. Thanks for watching and check out previous or next episodes. Best regards, MGDev.